What's up, guys? So this video is going to be a little bit different because the fire started after I started painting the Bronco, and time being outside got really limited, so I didn't want to have to set up and get my camera and the angles and all that stuff. So I'm gonna add a couple pictures of the progress that I did along with some of the videos that I've already taken that you'll see in this video coming up. And I hope you guys enjoy. I'll also do a little walk around of how it looks now so you guys can see it. I hope you enjoy, and sorry it's a little bit weird. All right, so today we're going to start on actually trying to sand all this up, get this all nice and flat. I'm gonna start with like 220 grit to try and get all this like chunks of paint out, and then we're actually gonna try and spray a little bit today. So I'm gonna get started with this. I got the sander out. I got my different kinds of sandpaper, 220, and all they had was 320. I was gonna go 400 for the final, and then I'm actually gonna use this Hunt Club green. Should look pretty good on this car, I think. All right, let's get started and see how this goes. Okay, so now as you guys can see from that time lapse here, I've sanded up pretty good. This didn't go completely flat. I got it really flat, so I'm gonna have to do some more on there. This obviously is a dent, but I got it pretty dang flat right there. Same with this here, was looked like Bondo spot. This is completely flat. I got this all flat, smooth. So I kind of sanded all the way up this pillar, and I came down, sanded up this pillar here. So I'm gonna probably tape this off and spray this with the green paint and give that a try. I'll do a little time lapse of that also. Check it out. Okay guys, here it is. I know it's getting dark. It's getting dark at 5:30 now, so I wanted to hurry up and take this video. Paint's looking good. You can't really see anything. Streaks. I did a black top. The sides. Even in the light right now, I got it on these little tires. I actually have some 31s for it that we'll be installing. Did the door jambs. Go around to the back here. Back looks really good. I took all the badges off. Oh, still got some tape there. This side was actually a little bit rougher. As you can tell, I'm not a Bondo man or anything like that. I don't do really car repair, but I did pop out a little bit of denting here. This side also is a little bit rough. I think I sprayed it when it was a little too hot, so I got to wet sand that down. But other than that, this paint job came out really nice. I also have some paint to fix the trim. So that's coming in the future. We'll be replacing this window in the future, replacing the glass here. This has a bullet hole in it, glass broken out. Also, I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I'm going to paint this black and just have this whole front piece black. What do you guys think on that? Let me know. Or I could paint it green. Next coming up, we're painting the bumpers. They're going to be black. I got brand new LED headlights that'll be going in. And then we're going to do valve cover and tune-up. So that's coming next, guys.